Hey, this is Roy, and now I want you to see what I got today. I haven't even opened it yet. You're going to see me open it. Alright, see this box right here? Oh, there's something good in here. I think, well, I hope it is because I paid money for it. It's not something that no one sent to me to review, it was just sent to me. So, because I paid for it, which is the way things are supposed to work. So I'm going to open it up. Get my nails underneath this tape. Oh, look, there's something inside. What do you think it is? A Fitbit Versa! Yep. Brand spanking new. Just got it. I'm excited. I beat the pre-release. I got the special edition because I wanted to use the Fitbit Pay. Also, I really like the charcoal band. I know technically I'm paying $20 extra for a charcoal band. And the funny thing is when I talked to Fitbit support, when I was thinking about, hey, I want to swim with this because this Versa is supposed to be waterproof. Well, able to swim anyway. Swim-proof, how about that? And so anyway, the problem I had was that, hey, what exactly, this band, can I swim with that? And Fitbit technical support actually told me no. You're supposed to swim or exercise or whatever using the official kind of rubberish bands that come with them and not the fashion band. So I guess this one is a fashion band. I asked what it's made out of. They said it's made out of a polyester mix. So be aware of that. That was an interesting tidbit to find out. It does come with these small and large bands, both. So you didn't have to go out and say which size you want. They sent you both. So let's take a look. And then my curiosity is the charcoal band already on or not? Let's find out. And then it says Fitbit Pay with the extra classic band. So I'm peeling off the sticker to kind of unleash the Kraken, so to speak. Alright, so this is what the front looks like. Here's what the side looks like. Here's what the back looks like. Here's what the other side looks like. Okay. How fascinating, right? Okay, so this is off now. Alright. Of course, the Fitbit logo, as always. Let's see if it's got that kind of magnetic kind of feel, even though it's not really a magnet in there. It does have that they usually have. Alright. And there it is. It came with the charcoal band. See it? Wow. That was cool. And then let's see what's in. This is a booklet, of course. The booklet comes out, okay, and in it should have, it's got the bands, and it's got a little tab. I'm reaching in to pull by this tab and pull this box out. Oh, it actually opens it. Oh, how interesting. They actually sent me an extra charcoal band, and then they sent, of course, the large bands and the small bands. How interesting. Very interesting. All right. And then, of course, the charger, which, of course, in Fitbit's classic style, does not fit any other device that they or anybody else makes. So, yep. Pulling it out. And maybe. There it goes. All right. So, I will give you this. It looks like I get to keep the band on to charge it this time. I have the Blaze. See, this is the Blaze. The Blaze, I have to take it out to charge it. They do have some chargers, but I didn't want to pay the extra bucks, and they weren't Fitbit official. And when I went on Amazon, there's not currently any third-party chargers like this yet. I guess they were waiting until it came out first. But this is the charger, standard USB plug. That's just it. All right. And so we got the bands. Alright. Go ahead and pull this box out. Here are the super important safety instructions and warranty. It has a limited 1-year warranty. So be aware of that. I did not buy an extended warranty, so let's hope I don't get bit. Of course, these days they say those warranties are kind of a waste. So I am pulling it out here it is, the Fitbit Versa. Okay, of course it's got the Fitbit logo at the bottom. Take the plastic off. So, got this pretty little, oh, I touched it and it came on. Okay, so I'm peeling it back now. Let's see what happens. All right, oh. It's coming up in multiple languages, asking me about downloading the latest firmware. Can we get it in my language? I notice it has about half a battery charge according to the icon. I'm glad to see that because the other Fitbit I always had to go look on my Blaze. I had to go look on the app in order to find out where my battery charge was at. And this is advertised as having a 5-day battery life, so we're gonna find out. Not today, of course, because that'll be 5 days from now. But of course, we want to do a full charge before we find out. Hey, yeah, that works. Cool. Now, I have bought a third-party protective cover to go over the glass because I don't want it scratched, and I've had good success with that. You see, this one, it needs to be replaced, but it has done a good job of protecting the device. And I've seen people with cracked Blazes, and so I probably hit it a few times, not hard, mind you, but enough to where I think, oh, that might scratch it, and thankfully it hasn't. And I wear this all the time to tell me if I'm sleeping, because if I don't have the watch on, then obviously I must not be sleeping, right? So I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, so there you go. That's it so far. How exciting is that? All right. So, waiting on it to get to my language. When I speak now, this band that's on it appears to be the small. But I'm going to try it, but it looks pretty small. Yep. And plus, if I plan to actually exercise with it, then I'm going to probably want to remove it. Now, one of the complaints I've heard about the Versa is that the band goes on in a convoluted way. So we'll have to take a look and see if we can figure out how that works exactly to get it loose. Oh, I see. Okay. There's a little push pin. Push that in. It comes loose. We'll do the same with the other one. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't poke you in the arm. So pull on that pin. And it comes loose. Alright, so it's almost like a classic watch band. I'm going to go ahead and put the large band on. By the way, this is the empty box now. Okay. And I'm going to release the Kraken. No, I'm going to remove the tape here. So it's got a little Fitbit tab wrapped around it. So that loose. Okay, so there's that. So they give you, they pretty much recycle here. So this is the same. The buckle part is the same regardless if it's large or small. And then if you wear the large, then there's this one. Let's see, I'm going to compare it to the one I'm wearing now. And I might be able to get the small to work. So, you know what? I think I'll take a chance and do that. And so here it is. Let's see what my luck is putting this on. So it's got pins that you need to put in. So hopefully I'm putting the right side on the right one. Let me think about that. Alright, so this one, the top part, the buckle is on the topmost and the band is on the bottommost. Oh, okay, so I'm assuming this is how the world works here too. So let's do this. So to be honest, this band scares me a little bit. The reason it scares me is because I'm like, how well does it go on? How well does it stay on? Because I'm thinking about some of the activities I do, and I definitely don't want this band coming off. But I'm thinking, surely someone's tested it and it worked for them. So, well, it's giving me fits trying to go that way, so maybe I am putting the band on wrong. Let's see what happens if I go the other direction. I don't know. So, makes you wonder, don't it? Stop spinning. All right. So we'll do. Got to change it out here. All right. So I am trying to get the band on. I'm gonna look at the instructions because it's harder than it should be. All right. So the band attach. To attach. Instructions say to attach slide pin and insert band at an angle. And then it has it in several other languages I don't currently speak. Okay. All right. Pinch sides to open. To start, download the Fitbit app. All right, so it goes at an angle. So let's give it a shot. Let's check again. My logic here says that the band, all right. So basing it off the old one. Okay, all right, so I got that one in. Cool, that was a good deal, all right. So I did indeed have to put it at an angle. So I put that pin right there in first, and then that's the lever to kind of puts it in. So I'm going to put that in place. It definitely has to go to an angle, or else the pin doesn't even go in. All right, the band is on. Okay, so now take a look. The new Fitbit and the old Fitbit. All right, it is time. Okay, blaze is off, and let's see if it's going to fit with this smaller band. It seems a little snug. I don't know. I'm going to go with it. Let's see. Let's take a look. I like that it's got the clasp piece that holds it, but I may have to put the other band on because it seems a little tight.